Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to create a pop-up subscription form in just a few easy steps. First, search for the subscription card. Click on it and start by choosing a template. In this example, I'll choose this one. Click Choose this template. Now let's start editing the form. Click Edit Form and begin by updating the title, text, and input placeholders. To change the required message, click the three dots, go to Validation, then edit the message. If you want to add more elements, click the plus button to insert a new layout, content block, or input field. Now update the button label. And to change the image, click Select Media, upload your file, and add it directly. Then scroll down to edit the text on the thank you page. Once you're done editing the form, click Close. Now, on the left side panel, you can upscates, customize the design of the form like, add your CAPTCHA, site key val, change the button color. Under Layout, set the pop-up position, corner radius, animation, and more. You can also customize the floating button, change its label, color, position, and other settings. When you're finished, click Create Widget and the embed page will appear. Now, let's add a trigger to boost conversions. Go back to the dashboard, click Edit, then go to the Trigger section. Here, I'm setting it to show when the visitor is scrolling, the visitor reaches the middle of the page. You can also set a time-based trigger, like showing the pop-up after 10 seconds. There's also an option to add conditions and scheduling. For example, showing the pop-up only on specific days and times. Once you're done, click Save, then click Embed on your card. Copy the embed code, go to your website, paste it into a custom HTML block, and click Save. Now, let's test the pop-up. As you can see, it appears in the middle of the page. Let's click the button without entering an email. See how the required message appears? Now I'll enter a valid email, agree to the privacy policy, and submit. The email is sent, and the thank you message appears. Finally, head back to your Fouita dashboard, click Submissions, and you'll see the collected email right here. You also have integration tools. You can connect MailChimp, ConvertKit, Google Sheets, and many more. Thanks for watching.